My face is it's beat. These moles on my face though. Oof, so cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this makeup look for you guys. I did not film this hair look. I kind of started the hair look and then I got off of it. Everything is on camera except for my liner and my lashes. I felt like I do that a lot. Actually, eyebrows, liner, and lashes. I felt like I do it enough, so I didn't really want to re-record that. But I will leave another video where I do like my flawless foundation linked in a card above. So I basically got dressed like this because I got ready like this because I'm about to I'm about to shoot my 30 days of Instagram content. If you are not following me on Instagram, my Instagram is the same as my YouTube, so at Summer's Beauty World. You can follow me on Instagram. I have a mission to do 30 days of me taking photos and actually being active on Instagram, so that's what I've been doing lately. And I think I'm up to like day, 25, so I'm almost there. So I am about to go upstairs, shoot this look, shoot 3 looks actually today, and then I'll be ready for my Instagram, uploads. Batch content is what I'm pretty much doing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this makeup look. I wasn't really gonna upload any makeup because I feel like it wasn't really being watched, but now the last video that I did, I had this makeup look, so I was like, let me just film it for you guys. You'll have it, and then it's more content for my channel. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go upstairs and film everything, and then that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this look, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys. Seems like ever since the first day we met, there is no one else. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I am just putting on this e.l.f. camo concealer. I think this is in the color Deep Cinnamon, and you have to work really fast with this product because otherwise it'll dry down really quickly. So as you see, I'm just blending everything in. I'm using a few palettes. One is Juvia's Place, and I think this is the bronze palette, and I'm just going in with that deeper red color, and I'm placing this in my crease. This just makes my transition process easier. So now I'm going in with this Violet Voss I Love You Forever palette. It's very like fall ready. I'm going in with the color Endless Desire. This is again another deeper red color, and I'm just putting this in my crease. I'm also going to go in with the color Charmed, which is like a darker brown color, and for that I'm going to put it on the outer edge of my actual eye in order for me to deepen up that crease color. So now I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution. This is in the color C12, and I'm going to just cut my crease. There's an easier way to do this. This is just the way I did it today. So I'm just going to go over my lid with a flat brush and just place this concealer all over my lid to cut my crease. Where is born? My man Double C. Yeah. Brandy. Indeed. Mr. Smith got the leg. How can one be down? Tell me where to start. Cause every time you smile, I feel tremors in my heart. I have one concern. How can I get with you till my day comes? Here's what I'm gonna. So I'm going back in with this I Love You Forever palette, and I'm going to use the color Endless Desire to just blend the cut crease and my outer V. This just makes the transition seamless so you don't see like any harsh lines. So again, I'm just using the color Endless Desire from the I Love You Forever palette, and I'm going to blend out the outer V and the actual crease color. Now in that palette, I'm going to go back in and use 2 colors. One is called Wishful and another one is called Wink. They're mauve-y colors, I want to say. So again, these colors are consistent with fall colors. So I just placed this all over my lid with a flat brush, like a flat shader brush. Just took my time and placed it anywhere I had concealer, and that's what you see me doing now, just packing it on my lid. So now I'm going in with my Beauty Creations primer, and I'm placing this all over my face, and then I'm going to go in with my concealer. I believe this is my e.l.f. concealer. All of my information will be in the description box down below, and I'm placing this all over my face to conceal my face, so my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and where my mustache area is. Yes. And then I'm going in with Makeup Revolution. This is for my contour. I'm placing this only where I want to contour my face. And now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty. This is my cream blush. I believe this is in Summertime Wine. And I'm basically underpainting my face. This is like my new method for my flawless foundation routine. And again, I'll link that card into the video itself. So now I'm taking a damp beauty blender and I'm blending everything out. And yeah, I'm going to finish my face.
The first day we met, there is no one else. I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget, can't get you out my head. Here's the verdict, and I'm crazy over you.
And now I'm going in with my Fenty Eavesdrop Skin Tint. I've been using this a lot lately, and it's just been making my skin look so amazing. So I'm using this today as my foundation, and I'm just going to take that, put it on my face, and then blend everything together. Check it. Now to brighten my face a little bit more, I go in with my Makeup Revolution in the color C12, which is a lot lighter than me, and I blend this in really well. After I do that, this is just brightening my under eye, and this is like the look that I was going for today. Now after I finish blending everything in, I'm going to actually go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I am just going to place this everywhere I put my concealer to set my face and to brighten my under eye. So again, I just use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. You see me doing that here. And I set everywhere that I just placed that concealer. Helps to brighten my face and my under eye, which is the look that I was going for. What you see me doing here is just blending in my contour on the side of my nose. This is from my Makeup Revolution. I think it's in the color F16. Again, everything will be down in the description box below. And now I'm going with my Morphe bronzer and just placing this all over my face. Anywhere that I contoured, I'm going over it with my bronzer to set it. And this is my Fenty Beauty powder, and this is in honey. So now I'm taking my edge control, placing that on my brows. This is how I actually set my brows, so you have that look that everybody's going for, which is like the fluffy brow look. So the edge control gives you like the laminated brow look without the lamination. So now I'm just taking my Fenty Beauty powder in the color 420, and I'm just placing this all over my face, and I'm done with my makeup. So now you're going to see me doing a short clip of my hair. I just did wand curls in this hair. I installed the hair first, and then I actually styled it on myself afterwards. But I didn't want to take up too much time because I feel like I have another video, which I could link as well, for me doing my wand curls. So I just did that quickly, and yeah, that's it. So after my hair is done, I just spray on some Beyond the Zone to make it a little shiny. I go in with this, I think this is Essence, and this is actually a brow highlight. I place this underneath my waterline, and then I go in with my mascara, and then I just place my mascara on my bottom lashes and my top lashes. And then I'm going to go into lips. Now for my lips, I'm using this Juvia's Place liner, and I think this is in the color Wine. Again, everything will be in the description box below. And then I'm going in with the Juvia's Place lipstick, and this is called In Vogue. It's like a peachy lipstick. It's so pretty, and I love this color. Once I blend everything in, I'm going to use this Fenty Balm Gloss, and I place this all over my lips to give me the shine. So the lashes that I'm wearing in this video are my own lash line, and the lashes are called Black Girl Luxury Lashes, or my BGL lashes. They are actually on my website right now, so if you're interested in these lashes, you can go purchase them. After I do everything, again, this is just me putting on my Fenty Balm Gloss, and that is it. My look is finished.
The first day we met, there is no one else. I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget.
Now to complete any last minute touch-ups, I'm just going in with like a dense makeup brush, and I am placing this on my hairline like always. And then I'm just using this hairspray to try to melt that lace a little bit more. It's pretty melted, but I wanted it to look better. So that's it for that. And then I'm going with my fan because I'm always being extra and trying to dry the actual hairspray. Why, I don't know, because I could have done something different. So now that that's done, I'm going in with a black liner, and I'm just placing moles on my face. I actually have a mole or beauty mark underneath my eye and by my chin, but I wanted another one by my nose, so I created a fake mole. And I'm just perfecting my hair again, just making sure the curls are like perfectly placed, and that's it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I don't like the intro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Summer, and yeah, okay, don't know what else I'm gonna say there. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go. That's it, guys, I guess. Oh, did I have stuff in my teeth? Ugh.